Yeah, working hard on a Quickx funnel. Not only do we have artificial intelligence software now that is able to build your team for you, 100% hand-free, literally a business builder, but the team members that are being created there, which creates a passive, self-containing, growing residual income on itself. But the team members that are created there are also being able to guide towards, or with other words, you're able to send those team members also into funnels of different opportunities like Quickx, for example. And I've built a 4-video landing page on where people get all information about Quickx so that they can make a free-willed decision whether Quickx is something for them or perhaps not. But anyway, the funnel is almost done. So you're able to, when you join my team or our team in Quickx, you're able to make use of these funnels. They are created for you with a very smart and easy to duplicate share code. I'm able to duplicate the funnels that I'm building, the elaborate funnels that I'm building with click-through video mails and click-through SMS and text messages and pages like this. I'm able to duplicate those funnels that I built and I spend a lot of time with and on into your back office with an easy share code that you're able to make use of your of the funnels that I built for your own team building as well. So double whammy. I'll teach you and I'll help you to set up the basics and to become a member of the funnel building software as well, so that I can duplicate the funnels that I built into your back office of the funnel build software. And I'm also able to help you with the artificial intelligence software that is building your teams for you, plus also offer you other passive and auto income systems that are online at this moment that are part of my portfolio. So triple, double, quadruple whammy, however you see it. Facts remain that one, Quickx is one of the largest tokens / ICOs on the whole world, delivering blockchain and Bitcoin related and altcoin related solutions like a fantastic wallet, like a new way of I should say for now, I should say Quickx comes up with this wonderful hard wallet. First of all, hardware wallet that is easy to use, very safe, and has all the qualifications. Next to that, they have a debit card, a real master debit card that you can use in the shops and online stores to purchase everything with cryptocurrencies. Literally, you're able now to purchase stuff with cryptocurrencies in shopping malls, buy your petrol, clothes, whatever. That is a major revolution. And they also come out with a fantastic blockchain and mining watch and a blockchain phone, a blockchain mobile phone, plus their own payment portal and some other products and services. So Quickx is a ICO token opportunity that is, at this moment, don't quote me on it, at this moment I think it's 13 cents, and it is being predicted to be $20 at the end of 2019. Now, no promises, no guarantees. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. But anyway, Quickx, hot new ICO token release, and next to that, obviously, the automated team building / business building software that I'm able to offer to you with the funnels as well, built for you 100%. I'm charging some money for that. Unless you're a big influencer and leader, I'm glad to do it for you if you take part and take a position in one of my teams or in many teams. Have a look. So click links underneath this video when you see this on YouTube. There's links underneath this video in the article that you're able to do the onboarding processes of that which is necessary in order to make your income fully automated. And leave your best email address, or plus leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number somewhere on this page. When you see this on a page where you can do so, to the right or underneath, your best email address plus mobile telephone number, so that you can see how funnels work to be able to receive proper video information of the opportunities that I'm promoting right now, or that we are promoting right now. Passive income systems are the next level of economic shift shapers. Sorry, I meant to say interrupters. So passive income systems, fully automated passive income systems, are the next level of interrupters. And what else? Please contact the person that grants you this information, that grants you these opportunities. He or she has a huge surprise for you. And then like, subscribe, retweet, do whatever is necessary to duplicate this video. When you see this on YouTube, there's a little word spelled share underneath this YouTube video. When you click on that, little social media icons pop up, and you'll be able to show other people this video. Unless you want to use this video on my YouTube channel, on your own YouTube channel, do so. I'll teach you how, and put your own links underneath, because when you share this video on your own social media platforms and people click through to the links that are underneath this video, they'll end up in my teams. So make sure that you are being taught how to become a serial network marketing entrepreneur with the proper strategies and the proper software and the proper YouTube channels, Facebook channels, and so on and so forth. Because nowadays, whether you have sponsored or guided somebody for months or years, spending a lot of money on the person, people go online, they click through, and they'll end up in different teams, and you will not have any fruits of your labor financially, so to speak. Spiritually is a different item, a different issue altogether. But make sure you'll be clever and take part of our team. We'll teach you and we'll do all the work for you. We'll literally set up all your funnels. We'll set up all your team building strategies and software. We'll connect everything, and we'll give Zoom calls. At this moment, we're able to create Zoom calls, and we're scoring 100%, almost guaranteeing you to literally earn $100 for every Zoom call invitation. Now that's crazy, I know, but at this moment there are people earning $100 for every Zoom call invitation, because we're scoring 100%. Once people come on our Zoom calls, or the recorded Zoom calls, have a look on this channel, then you're able to make $100 per person invited, because we score 100% with the packages that we're selling at this moment, and we're able to give you of the money that we earn $100 back as a commission for your marketing. So here you go. Click links underneath, leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number, get back to the person that sent you to this video information, and I'll see you and yours in the next video. Definitely in the funnels that you're clicking by clicking the links underneath, and also on our live streaming sessions, webinars, seminars, Zoom calls, Skype calls, events, clinics, wonderful outings, but definitely on the most beautiful beaches of the world. Check you soon.